What's up guys, Matt Manduke here. I have a after unboxing for you today. Here's something that I think a lot of people are interested in. I have for you today the Milwaukee Heated Hoodie. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and then you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so here's the Heated Hoodie, and I've had this thing for, I want to say 3 years now. I originally picked it up on clearance from Home Depot for $45. It came with the 12-volt battery as well as a charger for the battery, which I actually left in the other room and I'm not going to get it out. But you guys know what a battery charger looks like. If you're looking at this heated hoodie, you're probably familiar with tools and you know how they work. For the most part, I picked this up with the idea that one, I at the time could not afford to get the full jacket. Two, I assumed this would be a very good layer in my setup. So I am very big on layering, and actually, as far as I understand, so is Milwaukee, as their newer jackets are a layered system. So what you get in the package is what I got in the package was the 12-volt battery, the adapter, and the charger. The 12-volt battery is a lithium. I want to say it's a 2 amp hour, but looks like it has 3 18650s in it. And the actual hoodie. It's a pretty simple design. I actually like the way it has a thermal layer, and the thermal layer is very similar to the thermal shirt that I'm wearing now, which is actually a mossy oak. So, and that's decent. But the jacket itself, the hoodie itself, is fairly thin. So while you have a sweatshirt layer and a thermal layer, there's not much to it. It's not much thicker than a regular thermal layer would be, because there's not, like I said, there's not much to it. It's not like a heavy-duty sweater or anything, which I think would be ideal. What there is in it is you got this in the back, which is actually a heater in the back. Both breasts have a heater in them, and the lower back has a heater in it. The way it works is you clip it together and you plug it in. It's a little awkward here because I'm only using the one hand, and then you press and hold the button and it lights up. Maybe it doesn't light up. Well, there you have it, a broken heated hoodie. Like I said, I had it for 3 years, so it served its purpose. And for $45 for a hoodie, that's not astronomical, but I think they want $100 for it, and I wouldn't spend $100 for it. If they paid me to do it, I wouldn't be spending $100, right? So, like I said, I wouldn't spend $100 on it. It's not worth all that. The jacket for $300 is a little insane. I haven't yet had the opportunity to try it out, and I wanted to get the Realtree version, but I'm not entirely sure now because that doesn't work. There is an upgrade kit to be able to use the 18-volt, but I never bothered with that because, again, I don't use Milwaukee tools because I use Ryobi because they're cheaper, and as often as I break things, I'm better off with a Ryobi because it's cheaper than breaking a Milwaukee. I would like to get rigid, but they're way more stuff. If you guys enjoyed that and you want to see some of my other used reviews, you can go ahead and check out that playlist there. Or if you'd like to see some of the travels and places that I've used stuff, you can check out that playlist there. As always, guys, I want you to like the video, subscribe, and if you're really feeling happy, you can pick yourself up an Angry Manduke coffee cup. Thanks for watching. I'll see all my friends later.